A day at Sakleshpur. We started early in the morning, taking the Nelmangla route. Reached our breakfast destination around 10 a.m. Since me and my husband are not great fans of idli and dosa, we did not choose to order it. The very sight of windmills intensified my holiday mood. As we were getting close to the destination, we could feel the temperature drop due to the elevation. After a few miles into the city, we could see hills from a very close sight. Our cutest escort. Due to unavailability, they had provided us quad room. We used that extra bed to dump our luggages. After our lunch, we spent some time in the pool and went around the property. Post that, decided to click some mandatory holiday pictures. Around 7 p.m., campfire setup had begun. Those lights and music created a different vibe in that place. We met a group of people who were also from Bangalore and started playing some games with them. The next morning, we were asked to get ready by 6 a.m. to go on trekking. We reached the peak in around 30 minutes and the view was worth it. Do check out trekking pictures attached at the end. We checked out our rooms at 11 a.m. and hence departed Sakleshpur. Bangalore welcomed us with extreme downpour. Hope you liked the video. Many more interesting content coming on my channel. Stay tuned. Bye bye.